So today we will be making the slimy gloop laboratory. So it comes with mixing tools and containers. So we can make cloud slime, glitter slime, bubble slime, confetti slime, and rainbow slime. So yeah, let's get making this slime. Okay, let me summon it out of the box. Instructions, let's see what it says. Okay, I'm gonna put the camera down for a little while so while I open the instructions. Wow, this is a lot, guys. Okay, creating the white glue
solution. Rainbow slime glue glitter cloud. Let's make cloud today. Put the instant snow in a cup and add 75 milliliters of water until all the snow is absorbed. 1 spoonful of instant snow for your slime glue at a time, and fold in completely before adding another spoonful. If slime glue starts to become too sticky, add more of the sodium taraborate solution. In total, you will add about 8 short spoonfuls of instant snow to your slime.
Okay, tip. Okay, use clear glue slime and add in the plastic pellets for fishbowl effect. Tip, you can add a different color of paint to change the color of your slime. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, guys, so okay, this is kind of do on this angle. Okay, so I'm gonna open the glue. Okay, I'm gonna open the glue. Open it with my powers. So I put the glue into the slime, and while I was doing that, I forgot to press record on my phone. So yeah. So I don't have any footage of me putting the glue into the thing. So yeah. Okay, guys, I decided to start over because I had no idea what I was doing right there because I was just messing with the glue and I did not read no instructions. So okay, let me put the phone down. Put instant snow into cup and add 75 ml. Okay. I hold my... Oh, I forgot to take off the top of this container. I don't know if you can see it, but there's the top of this container. Okay, take 2, go. Okay, so hopefully I don't breathe on this because then it might go everywhere. And yeah, maybe I should fill it. Okay, we still have some spare instant snow. Okay, this is very interesting. This looks like unicorn shimmer from that one unicorn doll that makes slime. I forgot what it's called, but if you want me to do a video about that, then like and subscribe. Okay, so next we need to 75 millimeters. Okay, so let's add this glitter. Okay, I'm gonna hold my breath. Wait, no. We need to add water. Just add water. H2O. Just add water. It's my favorite show on Netflix. Okay. Yeah, I think this is 75 ml. So let's add it. Oh, it's turning. Oh, no, I think that was too much. It's turning into snow. Guys, do you see that? It's like puffing. Oh, it smells interesting. Yeah, it smells like a mochi squishy. So I'm gonna hold my breath. So this glitter, if I breathe on it, it's going to go everywhere. So I'm gonna hold my breath in 3, 2, 1. Okay, I think that's enough. Okay, okay, now add a spoonful. Okay, 1 spoonful. Okay. Into cup. Okay. Two slimy gloop at a time. Fold your slimy gloop at a time and completely before adding another spoonful of the, okay. So I guess we have to add a bit more water. No. Okay, I think we need another container. Let me get it from my other slime kit. Okay, we need to transfer some of this snow stuff into this. Okay, I think that's enough. Oh no, that's a mess. Okay, guys, this is turning out to look like a hot mess. Okay, so the instructions. Okay, I already got this water, so I guess let's add a bit more. Doesn't hurt to try. Is anything working? Okay, this is interesting. It just turned a lighter pink, and it's falling out for some reason. Probably because I'm mixing it too rough. But let's add, ooh, shiny. Oh, is that a bit much? Okay, that's a bit of a big kick, but not a punch. Because a punch is like where you fill the whole container with all the shinies. Yeah, I have no idea what they're called, but I'm just going to call them shinies. So, yeah. It's turning like really crunchy. It smells really interesting, like a Taba squishy. Okay. Add 1 spoonful. Okay. Okay, let me get out the spoon. We have some more shinies. But we'll save those for part 2. Because I don't want this video to get too long. So, yeah. Okay, this is very hard to see at this angle. Okay, I think I'm just gonna transfer the camera to here. So we need some more snow powder. This is a complete science experiment. Okay. Oh no, it's falling out. It's falling out of the packaging. Oh no. Okay, I got a shiny in there. Okay, let's add some water. H2O. Just add water. Again, that's my favorite show. Okay, this is, this is a complete science experiment. This all is messy. This is a hot mess. It feels interesting. It feels like a carpet. Okay, guys. So this is very interesting. So let's add a bit more shinies. Okay, guys. I think this needs to come to an end. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Part 2 will be coming tomorrow. So make sure to hit the bell button and subscribe so you don't miss some more videos. Okay, bye guys. I'm gonna clean up this mess before it gets even worse. Okay, bye.